It is possible to have no data at certain places. They are represented by null values. Null means no data. Tables can have null columns. It depends on the design of our application. Let us look at some examples. In HR schema, if I look at employees table, I see some columns are nullable represented by yes values here, meaning that they allow null values, and some are not nullable represented by no here, meaning that they do not allow null values. In a glance, we can understand that every employee must have an employee ID, and so this column is a not null column, meaning that if a row gets inserted with null values for this column, it will not be allowed. However, commission percentage may be null because some employees may not work on commission basis. Let me go to HR session. Select star from employees. I see null values here. Actually, these fields are really empty, but SQL developer shows them as open parenthesis, null, close parenthesis. It can be changed by going to Tools, Preferences, Database, Advanced, Display null value as. Here you can change. Let me change it to no data. Click OK. It got changed. Let me change it back to null. So these are actually null values, meaning that there is no data. Thank you for watching.